Hi everyone, I'm going to give you some quick facts about this heavy equipment used in coal mining in the Hinton area while we make a very fun printable together. You are seeing an 830E Komatsu truck get loaded by a 4100 XPB shovel. So first we're doing the shovel. Its tracks are 38 feet long. Each track is 7 feet wide. It is 62 feet from the top of the cab to the bottom just above the tracks. That does not include the boom. It is 47 feet wide. Its bucket can hold 120 tons or 56 cubic yards. Each tooth on the bucket of the shovel weighs approximately 220 pounds. We are now cutting out the truck, which produces 2,500 horsepower, has a 250-ton payload, weighs 1 million pounds when empty, and its tires are approximately 11 feet tall and weigh over 50,000 pounds each. Each truck carries 4,542 liters of fuel. These printables are available on our Teachers Pay Teachers website, and as you follow along, you can see how tiny the person is, how big the truck is, and then how enormous the shovel is. And these are not the largest pieces of equipment anymore. They used to be, but they are now vastly outweighed by the new equipment. If you want to see how big some of the shovels can be, a 4100 XPC is enormous. And as you can see right now, there is a truck backing up to a shovel that's waiting for him. It will take 3 passes of that shovel to fill that truck, and he will keep doing that all day long for 12 hours. His work cycle is to dig, swing, dump, and return to the face. He is currently loading waste, which is actually what those shovels do more often than not. Moving coal is a good day.